Alright guys, what's up, man? Back at it. So I want to show you guys what we just picked up today. It was actually last night that I had picked it up. So what we're going to be looking at today is 1, 2, 3, 4. Picked up 4 cars for $5 grand last night, and they all got delivered. Chances are they're going to be locked, but this is what happens when you go and you make a wholesale deal with like an impounder or a wholesale or whatever. You gotta take the good with the bad. So with that being said, let's get to the first car right here, and then we'll go and take a look at the others. All right, like I said, it's probably locked, so if they are, I'll just show you the outside and then I'll come back later and show you the interiors. But check this one out. This one is a 2011 Volkswagen CC. Runs and drives just fine. It's got just over 140 on the clock. The interior is really nice on this one. It's 2.0 turbo. She gets out of her own way, that's for sure. So don't worry about this. This was a fire. I don't know nothing about that car. So, but again, 2011 Volkswagen CC. Let me see. Yeah, I figured they'd be locked. Just because, you know, when they're dropping off, they don't want to be held responsible for them. Not if something was to happen. I mean, what possibly could happen, right? But anyway, this is what you got. Let me see. One more shot. Let's see. Nah. And you can see the interior is nice. Definitely has to be cleaned. But again, this came in as part of that deal. I'm probably going to say this car in this area, 2011 Volkswagen CC, put it up for, I don't know, $4 grand, maybe 45. I got to do a little bit of homework on it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens when we get to it. This car was already, all these cars run and drive, so they're all good to go. Aside from maybe needing paint or little things here and there. This got crept up on me. But anyway, that's where we're at with this. Let's go take a look at the next one. So again, guys, like I said, it's a wholesale deal. One of the perks of having a dealer's license. So here we go. This is a 2008 Mitsubishi Galant. 150,000 miles, I want to say, on it. Body straight. You know, you got some of this stuff here. Got this here. This. Guys, again, keep in mind, far from perfect. You know what I mean? The rubber's looking good. So, far from perfect, but running and driving wise, it's fine. This one, Leroy just took out to go pick up parts for another vehicle that he's working on. So, tried and true, you know. It'll get the job done. Let's take a look at the interior. This one might be open because he drove it, so. I mean, it's a Galant. You know what I mean? It's not anything crazy. Oh, what happened here? I got a touch. It looks like someone's booty leaked. Little poo-poo stain. Poo-poo. Have to get that cleaned up. So. And again, I don't know. Maybe put that thing out there for $2 grand. Let's see what it's going for. Oh, this gem. Hold on. Wholesale. Good and bad. Usually you can't cherry pick. So I cannot cherry pick. It was either you take all these with this one included, or, you know, the deal's gonna go to the next individual. So I took this one. It runs and drives. It's lived a real hard life, but let's just take a look at it. I don't even know the year. Here's the funny thing. I don't even know the year. I want to say it's an 08 Dodge Caliber. Bumper's messed up. When this happened, the air conditioning line broke as well as the power steering. But yeah, as you come up to it, look at this. That's how you stop a leak, right there. You silicone the shit out of it and just hope and pray. Obviously, guys, don't do that. Do it the right way. Come on. But aside from the bumper and the crazy silicone job, it's not too bad. She does run and drive. She goes through all the gears. I want to say, don't hold me to it, 200,000 miles on it, and she's still going. So this will make a good first car for somebody. You know, it looks like it's open. So let's see. Oh, look, someone didn't get it. Oh, it's a Caliber. What did I say it was? I don't know. Anyway, it's a Caliber. See that? That's nice. Very nice. Yeah, 203 on the clock. Could you just catch that? But again, it needs to get cleaned. Like, this is more than just a car wash cleaning. This is a carpet extractor. This is some real deal cleaning here. You know what I mean? This is gonna separate the boys from the men, the girls from the women, and I guess you would say, right? I don't fucking know. But anyway, this is what it is. It goes through the gears. It's good. It's nice. It'll get the job done. And you know, something like this, I mean, really, what could you put this thing up for? 1,500? You know what I mean? And again, these are all just numbers I'm throwing out off the top of my head. Please don't. I'm throwing out off the top of my head. Please don't look at the video like, oh, you said 15 and you put it up for what? Listen, this is just me and you here talking. All right. So again, wholesale. So I was 3, right? So let's get to the last one. And believe me, I didn't save the best for last. It's just how it worked out. And by how it worked out, definitely not saying this is the best. Just saying this is the last. So here we go. Little, I think this is a 05 or 6 Honda Accord. Oh, it looks like it's open. I lied. This will go to the paint shop, of course. I almost broke my ankle just now. So, again, you know, it is what it is. It needs a battery. They all needed batteries, except for the CC. There is no buffing this out. This is here. This is gone. This is it. So this is my favorite right here. You can get this. It's camouflage. So this way you can hide the car. No one knows that you got the car right there. See what I'm saying? Like, oh shit, I thought that was a bush, not a car. But anyway, it is what it is, you know. I want to say this one's got under 130 on it. Sunroof, leather, whole 9 yards. It is what it is. Goes through the gears, does its things. It's a 4-banger, so you know, no transmission problems here. And again, you know, probably with this one, get the interior done. You know, dye it, do what we got to do to it, get it painted for sure, and hopefully these cars will all be ready for sale by the beginning of next week. But it's Christmas time, so you know, with it being Christmas time, holidays, everything slows down. Everyone wants to make all the money, but they don't want to move fast. So I will have it at the shop, hopefully paint tomorrow, and the CC detailed, ready to go. Go on, get that doodle brown, get that out as well. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna probably re-hit this video up showing you guys the interiors of the CC and the Accord. Yeah, and then we'll take it from there. There's also gonna be more detailing videos too, where I'm detailing, maybe dyeing leather seats, fixing dashboards, that kind of stuff I could do. Mechanics, not so much. Anyway, guys, thanks. If I don't add on, subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't be a douche. Subscribe, man. Lady, subscribe. You know you're still watching. Subscribe. Boop, done. Anyway, all right. Oh shit, I should show you that one. I have maybe another video, a barnyard find. Really, it's a 96 SVT Cobra. Mustang Cobra 5-speed, 73,000 miles on it. Don't want to sell it. I'm torn. Not a Mustang lover, not a Mustang hater. Just know it's only going to go up in value. Anyway, guys, thank you. Subscribe. See you later.